Hey guys, welcome to I4 Productions. Today I'm gonna spin a fidget spinner for 10 hours straight. Okay, ready? There's a clock right there, you can see it. So I'm gonna do this for 10 hours. I'm gonna speed up the footage because I know you guys don't want to watch just spinning for 10 hours. But you guys, it'll just be some sped up footage of the spinning, and you have the clock right there. I'll show you that it's been 10 hours. Ready, set, go.
There it is. What time do you think you'd be ready to go?
Whenever you want.
Oh,
Okay,
and
for about 12:15, 45 minutes?
Sure.
it's about to be done. It's finally 10 hours, guys.
Oh.
That's pretty insane. I just spent it for 10 hours. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to smack that like button. If you don't believe me, just comment down below and I'll delete your comment. Thanks. Peace.